Hey guys, so I am going to explain what you're going to do for the personality test. So, what you should have done by now is you should have listened to chapter 2 of The Giver and completed the questions, and then listened to chapter 3 of The Giver and completed the questions. And those questions were all in Edpuzzle embedded in the videos that you were listening to. Now you're going to take the personality test. So, you're watching this video. So, if you're looking at the board, you're doing number 3 right now, listening to the personality test instructions. And then after watching this video, you're going to do number 4, which is taking the personality test. So there is a link on Google Classroom, and it'll look something like this. You're going to click on that link, and the link is going to pull up this document. You're going to click on take the test, and then just notice, first of all, some of the things about this. It takes less than 12 minutes, but just plan on spending around 12 minutes on this part of it. And then make sure that you are yourself. Answer honestly, even if you don't like the answer. Sometimes it's hard to be honest with ourselves. If you aren't sure what the question means, you can look up the words in the dictionary. Like, you don't even have to pull out your dictionary, just Google what the word means. Or if you're just not sure and you don't have too many neutrals, then you can go ahead and pick a neutral. But one of the things here says try not to leave any neutral answers. So you're going to try your best to pick a side, whether it be agree or disagree. Just make sure, one of the questions we had in 7th period yesterday was, like, there was one, I don't think it's on this page, but one word that it was like, something like you get bored with philosophical questions, and they were like, what's philosophical mean? So just Google whatever it is that you don't understand. Just Google what it means, and then that way you can either agree or disagree. Okay, so once you're done filling out these questions, in 4th period you're doing this too. Even though you did something very similar on Tuesday, you're doing this too. When you're done answering all these questions, it's going to give you some results, and your results are going to look like this. So for me, these are my results. What I want you guys to do is I want you to focus looking at, you can read the introduction. In fact, one of the things I think is really cool, if you scroll all the way down, it gives you some of the celebrities that share your personality traits. So like I have Halle Berry, Queen Elizabeth II, Beyonce, Vin Diesel, kind of excited about some of these, Kate Middleton, she's a princess. Okay, anyway, so you're going to see who like you share commonalities with. But what I really want you to look at is your strengths and weaknesses, because you're going to need to, in Google Classroom, complete this assignment. It's called the personality test, the giver assignment. So if you open it up, this was 7th period, so I already had some that finished. If you open this document, you're going to see that it asks you, first of all, you need to put what your type is. So right here, you're going to delete that line, and then you're going to put what personality type you have. So my personality type is an ISFJ. So you're just going to put ISFJ. And if you want to put the A or the T, you can, but just put whatever it is that you are. And then you're going to list 2 strengths and 2 weaknesses of your personality traits. So if you go back, you're going to look for the 2 strengths that you maybe agree with, and then 2 weaknesses that maybe you agree with. And then you'll put them here. When you're done with that, you're going to answer the questions. Do you agree with the test? Why or why not? Make sure to include specific examples from your life in your explanation. So if there's something like here, I actually happen to agree with it. So I'll put like, I repressing my feelings. That is something I do, and I can give an example of that here. All right, then you're going to use the handout, which if you scroll down on this same page, it's right here. You're going to find your trait, and then you're going to look at the job choices that they give you. So mine is an ISFJ. These are the job choices. If you don't like these job choices, the website also has it under career paths. So you can look at career paths that they suggest for you. And then you're going to answer these questions. So you're going to put whatever career choice you would like. And then if you were assigned this career by the elders, since that's what we're reading about in The Giver, how would you feel? So explain your thinking. Don't just write happy, but explain why you would be happy to get that job. Just explain a little bit more. And then here, you're also going to, would this career choice be a good fit for you? Would you be good at it? Why or why not? Explain using specific examples from your life. All of these right here, these type in your answers that are bolded, need to be about 3 to 5 sentences. So right here, here, and here. And that is it. That's your assignment. So if you finish it, go ahead and hit turn in on Google Classroom. And then if for some reason you don't finish it, well, the goal is to finish it. I'm not sure if I'm going to give you any class time, just depending on how your class went. So when I get notes, when I get back, I'll figure out if I should give any more class time. So enjoy it. Have fun. There is no talking today about the personality traits. Like, don't start talking with your neighbor about it because they might still be taking their test. Next week on Monday, we're going to have a group discussion and we're going to do a little activity with these personality traits again. So have fun, and thank you guys for listening.